to mount a pin mount horizontal lag tank. This tank has double the amount of mounting points than most horizontal tanks on the market. Many know it as the nation's most secure tank. Start by lowering the tank onto your truck bed or trailer. To ensure the tank is square, measure both ends, continually nudging until you are satisfied. We strongly recommend that you mount your tank through a steel crossbeam and not just wood. Start inserting the Enduraplas pins into each tank leg. The easiest way to mark your drill points is to use a bolt and hammer, as shown in the video. Remove your tank safely and start drilling holes. Moving from point to point, continue drilling until you are through the trailer bed and steel support. Make sure the trailer bed is clear of foreign objects before placing the tank back into position. Insert the high tensile bolts back through the pins and through the trailer bed. Place washers and lock nuts onto the end of the bolts. Tighten all nuts until the tank is held firmly on the trailer bed. The nation's safest tank is now secure.